Are you looking for to comment photo on Instagram post? Then you're on the right video. Today I'm gonna show you the step-by-step process on how you can easily comment photo on Instagram post. First thing first, move into your application Instagram and make sure you are logged in into a specific account. Now head over to any of the posts, or if you want to head over to the reel, then move into reel section. Simply head over to the specific reel that you want to comment photo. Let's say you want to comment the photo in this post. All you gotta do is click on this comment section. In the comment box, you will be able to see the gallery icon. Click on it. It will open up the gallery for you. Once you're inside the gallery section, choose any of the photo that you want to post. Once selected, now you can type in any of the conversation as you want to. After that, click on the send icon. There you go, the photo comment has been posted in this Instagram reel post. You can move into any of the posts or uploads and then comment the photo. Well, if you couldn't find that option, then simply move into the App Store on your device. Inside the App Store, in the search bar, search for Instagram. Head over to this app. Make sure that the application is up to date. If not, click on update and update the app to the latest version. Once updated, the feature will be available to you and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.